Dear students, I am Mehran Ali and you are watching Mehran TV YouTube channel. Today we will discuss a literary term, alliteration, and we will try to understand it by studying its definition and studying and comprehending its an example. First of all, definition. Alliteration is repetition of consonants at the beginning of two or more words. When there are many words in a sentence, then each word begins with a specific letter. If that letter is consonant, and in that line there are many such type of letters and words which starts from same consonant sounds, so this is called alliteration. For example, uh, Francis Bacon in his an essay of studies told that he has written, to spend too much time in studies is sloth. Here spend starts or begin with s, studies with s, sloth with s. So here are three words which starts from s consonant letter. So these words are consonant, these words which have consonant letters or consonant sounds, s, s, s. Why these type of alliteration is produced? Its purpose is to produce musical voice, full feel, full feel. This is also alliteration, full feel. So I hope you have understood it, that alliteration is repetition of consonants or same consonants at the beginning of two or more words in a single line, just to make a musical representation.